Hey guys, this is Tom from Rockland Music Fest. I just wanted to give you some updates and hopefully you can join me on this Thursday for an update in person, some reports and some numbers, and also some advice to help you guys to market better this event. You know, you got the ticket coupon codes and everything, but it's always good to have all the musicians in the same room and stuff like that. We're going to be doing that over at Fiesta Acapulco. But first of all, just want to let you know I launched a 2-for-1 admission deal. This does not apply to any of your coupon codes out there, so don't you worry, it's not taking away from revenue or anything like that. The coupon code for one ticket is $49.95, and then there's this 2-for-1 deal where you can get it for $24.97, but you got to get 2 tickets. So that's going to end tonight, Sunday, at 11:59 p.m. And then the only thing that'll be available for a while is going to be this $49.95 ticket coupon voucher or whatever have you. And then if you put in the proper coupon code, and there's literally 60 of them out there, it will drop the price by an average of $20 per ticket. And as I reminded everybody, you guys get $5 out of every ticket that uses your individual coupon code. So hawk that coupon code. Hawk like, I don't even know if that's how you do a hawk at this point. Just hawk them ticket coupon codes. That leads me into the next thing, and that is, this is the place where you want to bring everybody. Everybody. Okay, we've got to get everybody on this page, this Facebook event page. We're about to break. We are already over 1.2 thousand people that responded between interested and going. But I'd like to get this number very easily, by the way. I think we'll be able to do it over 1,000 just simply with another 11 tickets. So that's great. And, you know, it's just a little psychology with the end user. But quite frankly, you know, if customers see that it's over 1,000 people that are interested, maybe they'll be interested as well. That's going to help all of us. So I'd like you to go to this link, okay? I want you to push this button that says invite. And I want you to not even choose. Don't even psychoanalyze this. Just invite everybody. Bing, 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 bing. And there's some tools on your end where you could just send 500 invites in a shot. Just do it. Don't worry. We've got to get massive, massive visibility, and I need you to do that very simple thing. Okay, that's item 2. Item 3 is I need to get interviews with all of you onto Rockland News. I have a podcast that I do at least once to twice a week. It's literally the Rockland News podcast, and we curate the information. I find it interesting. Hopefully others do, you know, county executive updates, but there is no reason why we can't get interviews from each of the, interviews from each of the bands onto Rockland News. So, I'd like you're going to be given a link, and you can provide your own availability, and I will do a quick 5 to 10 minute podcast recording, and you can actually do it just from your phone. It doesn't involve any fancy equipment. If you got a smartphone and a decent internet connection, you can do a podcast. All right? So, with that, again, I'll just give you the 1, 2, 3. 1, I'd like you to be over at Fiesta Acapulco for kind of like a report and an open mic style hangout this Thursday, August 28th. Please, if you are not on vacation, please be at this. If you're on vacation, you know, just check in the next day and we'll let you know what happened. But, you know, we got to get all the bands together. That's item 1. Thursday, August 28th at 6 p.m. Please, Fiesta Acapulco. Get together one more time, just like they said with the Doors. But we're actually going to get together multiple more times, but you got to be at the first one. All right, second is invite people to this Facebook event, and feel free on your own post to say, mention coupon code, blump, 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 Trouble Junction, Frank Ocasio Brother Band, Electric Beef, Crash, whatever your coupon code is, pop it in there. Make sure you invite all 500 people from here. Item 2. Item 3, I want to get you guys interviewed, so I'm going to give you a link. Please tap on it, choose your own time, and unless I have an appointment at that time, we'll hop on, we'll do a 5 to 10 minute interview. It'll go on Rockland News, and it will go also on the Rockland Music Fest main page, because we're going to start building up a basic brand kit for some of you. I think some of you already have it, but we're going to start, building up just like the simple things, links to your Spotify, links to interviews, links to news, all sorts of things, links to your Facebook page, all the places where people are most likely to consume the music and the information and the vibes that you create as quality bands. All right, I'm not going to get philosophical. That's your job. So 1, 2, 3. 1, come over to Fiesta Acapulco, August 28th, 6 o'clock. I'll give you a report, and then we'll jam together somehow, some way. 2, invite people to the Facebook thing. All right. And 3, I'm going to give you a link. Let's book it. Let's go. Let's go. It's 34 days until the festival, man. 34 days. All right. Rock on, and we're going to have some amazing vibes there. Let's do this.